Are you looking to burn fat and get fit without any jumping or hurting your knees? Welcome back to Fitness Fathom. Today, we have a powerful 10-minute full body standing workout. This routine is perfect for beginners, seniors, or anyone living in an apartment. No equipment needed, just your energy. Let's get started.
3, 2, 1, go!
First, let's warm up with a simple march in place. Keep your chest up and pump your arms. We're just waking up the body and getting the heart rate up. Heart rate up. Stay consistent. Next exercise, standing knee to elbow. Bring that opposite knee up and crunch. This is amazing for your core and lower abs. Exhale as you bring them together. You've got this. Now let's move into windmills. Reach for your opposite toe while keeping your back flat. Feel that nice stretch in your hamstrings. This move is a total body burner. Time for step jacks. This is our low impact version of jumping jacks. Stay light on your feet and keep those arms moving fast. No noise for the neighbors, but a total burn for you. Moving on to side leg raises. Balance is key here. Lift your leg to the side and squeeze your glutes. This targets those outer thighs perfectly. Keep your core tight. let's bring some energy with shadow boxing. Throw those punches straight ahead, keep your feet moving, and stay light. It's a great way to burn calories fast. Next up, standing side crunches. Reach high and pull that elbow down to your hip. Really focus on squeezing those obliques. You are doing amazing, halfway there. Now let's do reach and pulls. Reach your arms to the sky and pull them down as you lift your knee. Imagine you're pulling down a heavy weight.